MacDonald Training Center, and we are celebrating 70 years of uniting hope and opportunity for individuals with disabilities. And we provide vocational training, educational training for individuals with disabilities so they can live the life they choose.
Our staff conservation days of action are the way that our team members can give back to the community, helping to save more marine wildlife. So we have a variety of opportunities that we offer staff throughout the year to give back. The MacDonald Training Center is one of those ways. This year is bead sorting, so it actually shows full circle to our employees what we do. We go out into the Sudden Channel and collect beads. We help with the after Gasparilla cleanup. We also collect them at the aquarium. And this is a way for staff to see where they go and how they get repackaged and sent back out into the community.
We are very excited to partner with the City of Tampa and organizations like the Florida Aquarium to work together to keep the beads out of the bay. So when beads are delivered to us, we repackage them and then they are sold. All of the proceeds come back to MTC to support our educational and vocational initiatives. So it's really a way, it's an opportunity to support our friends and neighbors with disabilities in this community. But even greater than that, it's a way for us all to support Tampa Bay, keeping the beads out. So it's been a long, ongoing collaborative, and we're just happy to be a part of it.
It's great to be part of the process. I mean, it's really practicing what we preach in terms of these little small actions really can add up. I mean, somebody thinks about, oh, it's just a strand of beads. What difference does it make picking up that strand of beads? Well, this is the difference that it makes. If all these strands of beads that got picked up, these are just one more set of beads that aren't out in nature, whether it's a land animal getting a hold of these and getting tangled up in these, or these ending up in our waterways, which of course here in Tampa Bay, we're right by the water. So these can so easily fall into the rivers, fall into the canals, end up where animals are going to be ingesting these objects, getting tangled up in them. I mean, they're getting tangled up with each other. So animals getting tangled up in these ingestion of foreign objects and entanglement are one of the biggest reasons why animals need to be rescued at zoological facilities, and it's something that really makes a huge difference. And just that little awareness, and to know that these are beads that are being reused. It not only ensures that these aren't getting out into our waterways, but it's also keeping them out of the landfills. It's also, saving resources, not having to use those resources to make new beads. Disposable things, very few things really have to be one-time use. Most things can be reused in some way or upcycled in some way. So this is just a great example of us practicing what we preach. And it's nice that the aquarium, not only do we put that message out there, but we're also supported by our employees to not only participate in these kind of programs, but also say, hey, here on your day, we're gonna schedule a day for you to actually be able to participate in one of these programs. It's something really exciting that we do at the Florida Aquarium that makes me very proud of the organization and to be a part of it.
In the 5 years that I've been with the aquarium, it started out to where it was just barely any time spent getting the beads out of the bay. The great Green Gasparilla initiative started. Just really amazing to see it come full circle to where now the beads are repurposed, repackaged, and resold, and it goes back to the MacDonald Training Center mission. It's just so wonderful knowing that we are giving full life to these plastic objects.
We can keep those beads out of the bay, we're happy. And they're reusable. There's no point in throwing them away and getting new ones. We can repurpose them. People could still have fun with them, but they're not impacting the environment in a negative way. And then we realize when we are able to sell those beads that we have some revenue that will help support our initiatives to support individuals with disabilities. We have a wide array of programming, from employment to education to job coaching, all sorts of different opportunities that, this helps support that.
When I saw this on the schedule and saw the spelling, I actually looked it up to try to find out a little bit more about it. And it's so cool now, having toured the facility, to see all of the training that goes in. I'd actually like to take some of these training courses myself that they offer here. Kind of like the expression, there's no small part, there's only small actors, you know, there's no small job, everything has importance. So we can find the way to work together as a society and give everybody a purpose.